Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Gaze. Gaze means look steadily and intently. For example, he could only gaze at her in astonishment. He could only gaze at her in astonishment. Synonyms: stare, look fixedly, look vacantly.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Strangely, all the people standing around me on Tuesday were gazing in wonder. Now, repeat after me. Strangely, all the people standing around me on Tuesday were gazing in wonder. The second exemplar. Should I avoid mirrors, or spend more time gazing in the hope of reconciliation? Now, repeat after me. Should I avoid mirrors, or spend more time gazing in the hope of reconciliation? The third exemplar. He was gazing at me through squinting gray eyes, rather than deep brown orbs. Now, repeat after me. He was gazing at me through squinting gray eyes, rather than deep brown orbs.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The only planet not named after a god is our own, Earth. The others are, in order from the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.